Hey guys, Jameson896 coming to you with a new unboxing video. Recently, over Black Friday and during the Black Friday sale, I purchased some Bucked Up products and they arrived today. Now before we get started, I'd like to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. I hope everything went good. And let's get right into it. Here we have the package, untouched, from when it arrived on my doorstep. And from what I can tell, it looks nice. It's bubble wrapped. It has the Bucked Up logo on it, which I think is super sick. And yeah, it's not unnecessarily big or anything. Now, to protect my identity, I can open it this way so you can't see my address. But inside, we have 2 containers of pre-workout, which I ordered. Okay, we just have a contents list right here. And let's get into the first one. The first one we have is the Bucked Up Woke AF Gold. Now this one is mango pineapple flavored, and it is nootropic as well. I didn't even realize, but it is a nootropic pre-workout. And so it has all the usual Bucked Up Woke AF components, like the very interesting here. Theobromine is in this guy. I didn't quite realize. I'm used to the Sinofrene HCl in my pre-workout, as well as the Dendrobium. And I really like that combination. But this one appears to not have those. I thought it did, but this one has Theobromine and Huperzine A, which I've never had before, so I'm excited to take that. Yeah. And the second one we've got is the Bucked Up Woke AF Black Sets on the Beach. Now, I picked this one because I've had the Banff Black before, and I've had very interesting results, and I want to see if it's similar. Now this one has the stuff I'm used to. If you look on the back there, it has Sinofrene and Dendrobium. But this one, what makes it really special is a couple of the other components that it has inside. It's basically just regular Bucked Up Woke AF, except it also has humic/fulvic mineral blend, which I'm not quite sure what it does, but I think it's gonna reveal some very good results. I've never been disappointed when taking a Bucked Up Woke AF product. It's always a supreme pump, really good flavor, and hard-hitting effects. Yeah. That is the Bucked Up Woke AF Thanksgiving haul. It looks like Christmas came early because we got delivered some awesome supplements. And yeah, this is Jameson896 signing out.